Hey my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. Get ready to sprinkle some serious sparkle into your life because Diwali, the festival of light, is here. This isn't just a holiday, it's a moment of pure magic, a time when our homes and hearts are illuminated. Today we are not just doing makeup look, we are creating a Diwali glow up, a look that's radiant, festive and perfect for welcoming Goddess Lakshmi. As we apply our glam, I'll be sharing some of my favorite stories and traditions behind this incredible festival. So settle in, hit that like button, and let's light up this look. Here I have applied Foxtail moisturizer, glowing moisturizer, and then I'm applying Mars eyebrow pencil. Then using Pond's BB cream and NY base strobe cream, mixing together to get glowing base. Now, as I blend my foundations, or you can say BB cream and stroke cream together, let's talk about the days leading up to Diwali. The festival actually spans 5 days, starting with Dhanteras, which is all about cleaning and purifying our homes. We are scrubbing all away the clutter and negativity to make room for prosperity. Think of your base makeup as your own personal Dhanteras. This is your real wealth. We are cleansing even out and creating a flawless, fresh start. And now I'm applying concealer to make it more lighter, to make it more radiant skin, to get the clarity and to get the good fortune. Dab 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 and dab 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 and complete your finished look to get more radiant skin like this after applying concealer. So you can see all the dark spots has been reduced. Now I'm applying 925 Lakme compact powder. And in the comment box, please let me know what does Diwali mean to you. For me, it's Son Papri. For me, it's sweets. For me, it's Kaju Katli. However, if we talk about Diwali, it means a row of lights or Diwali. The tradition of lighting diyas, those small clay lamps, everywhere is so significant. It's just that decoration, it's powerful symbol of the victory of light over the darkness or good over evil. The most famous story is that of Lord Rama returning home to Ayodhya after defeating demon king Ravan. The people lit up the entire city with diyas to welcome their hero home. Ganesha, the remover of obstacles, is often worshipped with goddess Lakshmi. So let's make sure these eyes of wisdom are clear and beautiful. I'm using here shimmer some to my eyes so that it can give you a glow glam to this Diwali, and so that your eyes can be also shined up with those lights, with those twinkling lights into your home, into your world, into everywhere. Diwali is a time of incredible generosity, sharing sweets and exchanging gifts. The heart of this festival is the evening of Lakshmi Puja, where we pray Goddess Lakshmi for wealth and prosperity. And please do let me know in the comment, how do you do puja and in Diwali? How do you spend your Diwali? And we all know prosperity isn't just about money. It's about the wealth of health, happiness and loving relationships. That's what we are highlighting here. That's what we are highlighting here by eyes, so that this happiness and health and loving relationship can be highlighted up too. This is the light which you have applied into your eyes will guide the Lakshmi to your home. Now apply the eyeliner to be radiating pure joy and Shubh love, which is called good fortune from every angle. When you are getting ready for Diwali, just remember that the true light of Diwali is the warmth you share with your family and community and your friends and your dear ones. Right? So please do let me know that how you like to spend your Diwali with your friends or with your family or with diyas or with crackers or with sweets, lots of sweets. Like I like lots of sweets in Diwali. Applying it on both the eyes, on the left eyes and the right eyes to make your eyelashes go upward. And I find it one of the best technique to make your eyelashes bigger. So here I am applying Maybelline Sky High Rise mascara, and this is one of the most affordable and the best recommendation to use mascara when you come to this. So yes, I have applied on both my eyes, and my eyes is looking bigger. My eyelashes are looking bigger without applying any fake eyelashes. Now it's time to white kajal. So here I am applying NYB white kajal to give some more extra look, to give some vibrant look on your Diwali. And the final touch, a beautiful bold lip. I'm using here Mars lip liner, and the shade is one of my favorite which I'm applying, and I have almost finished it, 2 to 3 pencils, and here I'm applying Mars shade 05 peaches lipstick, and I'm giving it a light peach color with my bold lip liner so that it can go with my pink outfit. And now applying Mars lip oil, and it gives you a great glam Diwali look. Here you go. Here I'm applying Blue Heaven blush on the both side of the cheeks to make your cheeks upper. You can apply in the L shape, or if you want to make your face bigger or make your face fluffier, you need to apply it on your both the cheeks on front side. So here I have applied it with this brush, and I am done with my blush. Now it's time to highlight your cheeks, highlight your cheekbone. And if you don't have brush, you can do the brush like this, the way I have done, and then you can apply the highlighter on your edges or wherever you want to apply it. So if you do not have any brush, you can apply the way I have applied. So here is my final look. You can see without any filter, you can see the look is very good and glam. And here I am with my pink outfit, and I have put my jhumkas and my bindis, and yes, this is my final look for Diwali. So you can apply the same makeup products, and I have applied every makeup product which is in very low range and very affordable. You can apply it as well. And if you do not have that much product, even you can get your skin, get your glowy skin, get glowy makeup within 5 products too. So I have tried minimal makeup products to use in this video so that you can also apply it, and you can also get this glam glow on this Diwali 2025, so that you can remember your look every year, and it can be a memory forever for into your life. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos and stay tuned. Bye bye.